5 Steps to Manifesting Anything. By now, I'm sure you know all about the law of attraction. We manifest parking spaces and free coffee and are working on manifesting our millions. Not using the law of attraction to create the life of your dreams in 2016 is like not owning a smartphone. In truth, though, we're missing out on a lot of the power the concept has to offer. I wish more people were using the law of attraction to manifest a life they love. As a spiritual teacher and healer, I've seen the power of the law of attraction create love, healing, and, yes, financial abundance for my clients. So, today I'm sharing my recipe for manifesting anything. In case you're new to the manifestation game or need a refresher, let me break it down to the basics. The law of attraction is a universal principle. It's nothing new but has recently gained popularity through hit books like The Power of Positive Thinking and Think and Grow Rich, as well as the beautiful work of Abraham spoken through Esther Hicks. And it would be a feat of great significance to avoid the phenomenon that is The Secret. Do some digging and see if you might want to start your journey by checking out one or several of these resources, or just keep reading. Law of Attraction 102. When you focus your energy, attention, awareness, and emotion on something often enough, it becomes your reality. What you think about you bring about. You want more money? Start thinking, feeling, and speaking with the energy of already having more money. By doing so, you call the object of desire toward you, whether you're aware of it or not. And because it happens whether we are aware of it or not, we often unintentionally call into our reality experiences that we would actually rather not have. Like not having enough money. My goal is to give you the steps to create more of what you want and experience less of what you don't want. Consider this a crash course and start implementing these steps immediately. 1. See it. Set your manifesting goal. Get crystal clear on exactly what you would like to create, do, be, have, or experience. Then work those imagination muscles. What would it look like if you already had that, if you were already living it? What would surround you? Who would be with you? What would you wear? What would your bank account reflect? How would you spend your time? Let yourself slip into a beautiful daydream. Spend plenty of time imaging your dream life as if you were already living it. Practice this in the shower, when jogging, driving, or any and every time you have some quiet alone time. 2. Feel it. It's not enough just to say your affirmations or create a vision board and hope for the best. The universe speaks the language of emotions. So even if you are affirming, "I am rich and successful," you have to feel it for it to make a difference. To call in an experience you actually want to have, start to cultivate the emotion of the experience as if it were already real, already happening. How would you feel? Joyful? Playful? Creative? Abundant? Start to feel those things now, and that is what you will begin to experience. 3. Believe it. If you don't believe what you're saying, you're going to feel the opposite of what you want to attract. If you're trying to force yourself to feel abundant but you don't believe you can be or that you already are, you're going to feel frustrated by your perceived lack and, therefore, call in more lack. Basically, you can't convince yourself to feel an emotion you don't actually have, except you can, kind of. Here's how. You can pray, meditate, journal, go to yoga, see your energy healer, whatever you have to do to reconnect with your inner guide and the belief that you are divinely supported and can have, be, or do anything you want. And you can affirm, affirm, affirm until you believe what you say. And you can work these 5 steps forward and backward and all around until you create such high vibrations around trusting this process that you do start to believe that anything is possible for you. 4. Recognize it as true. A favorite Abraham Hicks quote of mine is, "A belief is just a thought you keep thinking." What does that tell us? That beliefs can and do change. But knowledge, understood as an evidence-based understanding of something, is unwavering. Well, maybe there's more of an 80-20th rule about it. I mean, once upon a time we just knew the earth was flat. Now, we know it's not. But the energy of knowledge is so much stronger than belief. Saying you choose to believe something means there is a sliver of possibility that it may not be true. Knowing something as fact means reality as you perceive it. I know that the sky is blue and that the grass is green, for example. Know that what you want to create is already yours, and it will be that way. 5. Act as if. The strongest and most powerful way to apply all of the previous steps is in this one: act as if it is already true. Act like the person you want to be. Act as if you already have everything you want. Act as if everything you need has already been provided. This is how you finally accept your manifestation and allow yourself to receive it from the universe. This means you stop struggling and start allowing your manifestations to come to you. Simple enough, right? Don't believe me? Give it a try, I dare you. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more or share to help more people. Thank you so much.